morning, students. Children, in our chapter number 11, Force and Energy, we discussed about simple machines. Simple machines are those machines which make our work easier. By applying the force in the correct position, we can do our work faster and easily. In this week, we are going to discuss about the different types of simple machines. Let us take the examples of the simple machines. In this picture, you can see different types of simple machines. Okay, children, you can see lever, wheel and axle, wedge, pulley, screw, inclined plane. These are the different types of simple machines that make our work easier and faster. Student, now we are going to discuss about inclined plane. As you can see, inclined plane means it is little slanting, isn't it? You can see it. Children, think about the slides you have enjoyed or you are enjoying. You like to go down a slide. It is an inclined plane. In your house or maybe in the shopping malls or in the hospital especially, you must have seen inclined plane where in the hospital the wheelchairs are, they are moved on the inclined plane because the patients, they sit in the wheelchair, they cannot walk on the stairs, and so those inclined planes are very helpful for moving the wheelchairs. Even in the different buildings, you must have seen these inclined planes which are called ramps. They are actually called ramps which help in to move the vehicles. Maybe in your house you have a ramp so that your motorbike or a scooter can move fast. Children, inclined planes, you must have seen that the trucks loading and unloading heavy materials. When the material is in a great number or very heavy, it is difficult for the laborers or the workers to pick up all the heavy material and put it down or unloading or loading into the truck. In that condition, inclined planes are used. I will just show you a picture. This is an example of inclined plane. Children, as you can see that this heavy barrel, maybe a wooden barrel or a container, it is difficult to lift and take it into a place, maybe even inside the factory or industry or in the truck. So an inclined plane will, you have to just roll it, or you just put the inclined plane like this and it will come sliding down. So they are used, and this makes the work easier, less difficult and faster also. So this is your inclined plane, an example. It is a slope which makes work easier. As you can see, slope. You have all gone down the slide, or maybe sometimes when there are stairs, or as well as this inclined plane called slides, you wish to go in a slide, because children, when we are climbing the stairs at a height and when we are going up the slope, which one do you think will be easier? Have you climbed the mountains? Sometime when you are going to some destination in the mountain, there are there are steps, and as well as this sloping way. I feel you must have also felt in the same way that climbing stairs is difficult, then it is easier to climb the height or go to a certain height on a sliding way or a sloping way. Okay, so it is a slope which makes work easier. Not only work, you have to climb or go somewhere. When we load or unload trucks, we use a plank of wood. This is the plank of wood in which we use. Okay, children, this is the plank of wood which is used for loading and unloading of trucks. Many of you must have seen this. Okay, loading and unloading of truck. We use plank of wood. This is your plank of wood, as I discussed. Plank of wood. As an inclined plane in hospital or some buildings, in shopping malls, maybe in your some houses also, inclined plane called ramps are provided next to the staircase for movement of wheelchair or maybe the vehicles or people. Also, I have seen many places that stairs are also there, a sloping way is also there, so that people who want to climb can go up. Even when you go to the shopping malls like Big Bazaar and even Reliance and all other shopping malls, you must have used those, those wheel baskets, where you carry all your materials, and they have wheels. Now that wheels you cannot move on the staircase, isn't it? They will just jump and fall, your material. So those carts which you are using, which have wheels, you have to slide down on a ramp. Okay? So you all have used this next to the stair. This help in pushing the wheelchair, not only pushing, even the carts which have wheels. Slide are also inclined plane. You all have enjoyed slides. That they are also inclined plane. I will just show you. This is your inclined plane. The slides. Okay, so this is a simple machine inclined plane which it's a slope which is inclined and which helps for loading and unloading of materials, even for the wheelchairs or the carts which have wheel for moving. Even people find it easier to climb a slope than to climb the stairs. Okay, and slides, you all children enjoy going down a slide. They are all inclined planes. Thank you, children.